So we start out today's video with this hair transformation. Looks like the stylist might be doing some layers for this one. Now layers, as you know, has been one of the hottest hair trends that we've actually been seeing in 2023. And it will continue to grow in popularity as we head into 2024. So if you are looking for a great way to add some shape and texture, especially some volume to your hair, you are going to want to try this trend out for yourself. Beautiful curtain bangs to frame out her face. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trendseeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature some more hair transformations. So here we have the Philip Wolf showing off some of his beautiful hair recreations. This is actually one of my favorite stylists to follow on TikTok and Instagram. He does amazing work with his teammate, Alfredo Lewis. Look at this pink layered bob style. Oh, I love the color mix of this. And this is really playing into that Barbie trend that we've been seeing floating around. And then we have another layered hairstyle. I mean, the man can pretty much do any hairstyle you desire. He is truly talented. Beautiful green mullet, another very hot, trendy style idea. Money piece highlight look, the curly natural texture. So many ideas. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have a color correction and a Pixie haircut. So this is actually one of my favorite short hair influencers. She has such beautiful hair. She's not afraid to mix it up with different colors. Oh, such cute earrings. So it looks like they ended up dyeing the hair this beautiful blonde, and then Philip is going in and shaping it. I love this color. It's like a beautiful ash blonde shade. Beautiful shape of this Pixie. So gorgeous, and she still has a lot of hair that you can play around with here when it comes to the styling. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out the rest of these hair transformations.